Costa Rica, where adventure lives and nature rules. From misty volcanoes to crystal-clear beaches, this tiny country packs a giant punch. Zip line through lush rainforests, surf world-class waves, or chill with a coconut on the sand. Say hello to sloths, howler monkeys, and colorful toucans. This is wildlife paradise. Savor Gallo Pinto for breakfast, chase waterfalls by lunch, and end your day under a glowing sunset. And the best part? The people. Friendly, joyful, always living the Pura Vida life. So what are you waiting for? Costa Rica is calling you by name. Welcome to Costa Rica, where lush rainforests meet pristine beaches, and adventure is always just around the corner. This Central American gem is a paradise for nature lovers, thrill seekers, and those embracing the Pura Vida lifestyle. Costa Rica's philosophy of enjoying life to the fullest. Prepare to be amazed by towering volcanoes, cascading waterfalls, and an astonishing array of wildlife. Join us at Travel with Glen as we embark on an unforgettable journey through Costa Rica, exploring its iconic destinations and hidden treasures. Our adventure begins in the northern lowlands of Costa Rica, home to the majestic Arenal Volcano. This imposing giant, cloaked in emerald green slopes, dominates the landscape. For centuries, Arenal slumbered. Then in 1968 it awoke with a roar, sending rivers of molten lava cascading down its flanks. Today, Arenal still offers glimpses of its fiery nature, with plumes of smoke often seen rising from its peak. But Arenal is more than just a volcano. It is the heart of an ecosystem teeming with life. The fertile volcanic soils nourish a rich tapestry of rainforest, home to an astonishing variety of creatures, from brightly colored toucans and playful monkeys to the elusive jaguar. Amidst the verdant foliage, you'll find the magnificent La Fortuna waterfall. Its waters plunge from the rainforest canopy into a cool, clear pool below, an invitation to escape the tropical heat. And what better way to soothe your muscles after a day of exploring than a soak in the renowned Arenal hot springs? These naturally heated waters, rich in minerals, offer breathtaking views of the volcano. As you wander the trails surrounding Arenal, keep your eyes peeled for the sloth, a master of camouflage and a true symbol of the Pura Vida spirit. Arenal and La Fortuna offer a truly immersive experience, a chance to witness the raw power of nature alongside its serene beauty. Prepare to be transported to a realm where the air is thick with mist, and the trees seem to touch the sky, their tops disappearing into the fog. We're ascending into the Monteverde Cloud Forest, a magical ecosystem perched high in the Talaran Mountains, where nature thrives in a delicate balance. Here, the clouds dance among the peaks, draping the forest in an ethereal veil, creating a mystical atmosphere that feels otherworldly. As you step into this emerald wonderland, you'll feel a sense of hushed reverence, as if entering a sacred space. The air is alive with the sounds of the forest, the chattering of unseen birds, their calls echoing through the trees, the rustling of leaves underfoot, each step a reminder of the life teeming around you, and the gentle drip of moisture from the canopy above, a testament to the forest's lush, humid environment. One of the best ways to experience Monteverde is to walk among its treetops, traversing a series of hanging bridges that offer breathtaking views of the forest canopy, a perspective few get to see. As you stroll from platform to platform, you'll be eye to eye with a vibrant tapestry of life, each layer of the forest revealing its own secrets. Look closely, and you might spot a sloth clinging to a branch, its fur a miniature ecosystem of its own, moving slowly through its arboreal home. Listen for the telltale call of the howler monkey, its booming voice echoing through the trees, a sound that can be heard for miles. And if you're fortunate, you might catch a glimpse of the resplendent quetzal, its iridescent green plumage a dazzling jewel against the emerald backdrop, a sight that leaves a lasting impression. Monteverde is a haven for biodiversity, home to over 2,500 plant species, 100 species of mammals, and countless insects, and 400 species of birds, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life here. So, breathe deep the fresh misty air, open your senses to the wonders that surround you, and let the tranquility of the forest wash over you, and let the magic of the cloud forest fill your soul, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Prepare to be dazzled as we journey to the Pacific coast of Costa Rica, where the lush, verdant rainforest spills onto pristine white sand beaches, creating a breathtaking contrast. Welcome to Manuel Antonio National Park, a jewel on the Pacific coast and a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and leisure. This park is a sanctuary for both wildlife and those seeking tranquility. Here, the deep emerald embrace of the rainforest collides with the azure waters of the Pacific Ocean, creating a mesmerizing landscape. The air is alive with the sounds of the surf crashing against the shore, a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. The chattering of monkeys swinging through the trees adds a playful melody to the atmosphere, while the calls of exotic birds hidden amongst the foliage create an enchanting chorus. Manuel Antonio is a haven for wildlife, a place where you can witness the raw beauty of nature up close. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a vital role in this vibrant ecosystem. As you wander the park's well-maintained trails, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of natural wonder. So keep your eyes peeled for the iconic white-faced capuchin monkeys, their playful antics a constant source of amusement and joy. These agile creatures are a joy to watch as they swing from branch to branch with effortless grace, their inquisitive nature often leading them to interact with visitors, making for unforgettable encounters. Just be sure to keep a tight grip on your belongings, as these mischievous monkeys are known for their knack for snatching snacks and other items. You'll find sloths clinging to tree trunks, blending seamlessly with their surroundings, their movements slow and deliberate, a stark contrast to the lively monkeys. Their calm demeanor is a gentle reminder to slow down and appreciate the simple things in life, to take a moment and breathe. The park boasts 4 stunning beaches, each offering a unique slice of paradise, each with its own unique charm and character. Sink your toes into the soft white sand, feeling the warmth and texture beneath your feet. Take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters, letting the cool waves wash over you, or simply relax under the shade of a palm tree, listening to the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. So come, embrace the Pura Vida lifestyle, a philosophy of living life to the fullest, and create unforgettable memories in this tropical paradise, where every moment is a celebration of nature's wonders. Our journey takes us now to the northeastern coast of Costa Rica, where we'll delve into a world of winding waterways and verdant canals, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Welcome to Tortuguero National Park, a true hidden gem and a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. This park is a sanctuary, teeming with life and vibrant ecosystems. Forget about roads. In Tortuguero, the only way to navigate this labyrinthine network of canals and lagoons is by boat. It's a unique experience that brings you closer to nature. As you glide along the water, the sounds of the rainforest envelop you, the chattering of monkeys, the calls of exotic birds, each with its own unique song, and the rustle of unseen creatures moving through the undergrowth. Every sound tells a story of the vibrant life that thrives here. Tortuguero is a sanctuary for those seeking an immersive wildlife experience. It's a place where you can truly connect with the natural world. Here you'll encounter an astonishing array of creatures, each more fascinating than the last, from caimans lurking in the shallows, their eyes just above the waterline, to sloths clinging to branches overhead, moving in their slow, deliberate manner. Keep your eyes peeled for the elusive jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, a master of stealth, as it stalks its prey through the dense undergrowth, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. But Tortuguero is perhaps best known for the incredible spectacle of sea turtle nesting. This natural event draws visitors from around the world. From July to October, 4 species of sea turtles, leatherback, green, hawksbill and loggerhead, return to the beaches where they were born to lay their eggs, continuing a cycle that has been repeated for millions of years. Witnessing these ancient creatures emerge from the surf under the cover of darkness, laboriously digging their nests in the sand and laying their precious eggs is an experience that will stay with you long after you've left Tortuguero. It's a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. So come, immerse yourself in this watery wonderland, and discover the hidden treasures that await in the Amazon of Costa Rica. Every moment here is a step into a world where nature reigns supreme. Our final destination takes us deep into the heart of one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Welcome to Corcovado National Park, located on the OSA Peninsula, a remote and pristine wilderness. Here, the rainforest reigns supreme, an emerald tapestry stretching from the rugged mountains to the Pacific coastline. Corcovado is not for the faint of heart, It's a place for intrepid explorers, those seeking a true wilderness experience. As you trek through the dense undergrowth, the air thick with humidity and the sounds of the forest, you'll feel a sense of awe at the sheer abundance of life that surrounds you. Corcovado is home to an astonishing array of creatures, from the smallest insects to the largest predators. Keep your eyes peeled for the elusive jaguar, the apex predator of this ecosystem, as it stalks its prey through the undergrowth. Listen for the telltale rustle of leaves that might betray the presence of a Baird's tapir, its distinctive prehensile snout sniffing the air for food. Corcovado is a birdwatcher's paradise, home to over 400 species, including the scarlet macaw, its vibrant plumage a flash of color against the green backdrop. It's a place where you can witness the interconnectedness of all living things, from the fungi that decompose fallen trees to the insects that pollinate the flowers. So, come, venture into the heart of biodiversity and discover the wonders that await in Corcovado National Park. Our journey through Costa Rica has taken us from the slopes of towering volcanoes to the depths of lush rainforests, from pristine beaches to winding waterways. We've witnessed the incredible diversity of life that thrives in this small but mighty country, and experienced the warmth and welcoming spirit of its people. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Costa Rica has something for everyone. Embrace the Pura Vida lifestyle and make unforgettable memories in this beautiful paradise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel guides and tips.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure, a memory we keep. Join the journey, share the thrill, every video brings